What's up, guys? Mm, Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to put a post, share a post on your story. And so the first thing that you want to do is go to Instagram and go to the video or picture that you want to share, and just I'm just gonna pick a random thing like this.
Chopper boy, bitch.
And you see next to the little thing right there, the comments, next to it you see like a paper airplane. Just click it and now share to add to story, and there you go. It's right here. And you can size it out. Well, no. Make it any size you want. You can make it small or big, or leave it the way it is. And you can do any of these. If you want, you can do that. Oh, I want to put right there. And you can put anything next to it. And no, press your story and you're done. It's now on your story. It's now on your story, and you click it right there. And peace out. And yeah, peace. Make sure you follow my Instagram. There it is right there, the username right there. Just click it.